So guys, good day you all. How you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be an unboxing video, so stay tuned while we do some unboxing. So earlier, I think 2 days ago, I went to the market. I couldn't vlog though because the place was so rowdy, but I said and I promised that I was going to come here to do the unboxing since I hadn't, couldn't do a video in the market. So I said I was going to come here to do the unboxing. So guys, let's go about the unboxing. So what we have going on here, yeah, these are a bunch of clothes. Yeah, so we're about to do this one by one. Yeah, so I'm losing it up. So number one here we have here is, you guys can see, this is raincoats for children. It's for Dudu Bobo. It's during the rainy season, so I got him a raincoat because of the rain. Whenever it is raining, so that whenever he's going out, he could put it on his clothes. So it's and I got it for what, 1,500 naira. Yeah, this raincoat I got it for 1,500 naira. So the next unboxing, yay, guys. Now look at this beautiful and lovely t-shirt. Look at this. Can you see this, guys? Yeah, I got this for 8,000 naira. This was going for 8,000 naira. Yeah, so I got this two lovely piece. This is the knicker and this is the top. Yeah, the knicker. So these two goes hand in hand, and it was going for 10,000 naira. Okay, the next piece we'll have here is like kind of a sweater kind of wear. Yeah, there's this one, this sweater kind of wear, and it was going for 12,000 naira. 12,000 naira. Look at it, guys. And that piece for Dudu. Guys, we have a trouser here. Yes, a trouser. Ta-da! This is a trouser, a black jean. Can you see it? I think, guys, you can see it. And this, guys, it was going for 15,000 naira. This is going for 15,000 naira. As well. Let's go right in. Yeah, this is another two-piece set. This is the top, and this is the short it came with. So this is the way it's looking. This is the way it's looking, guys. Look at it. Hope you guys can see it. So this two-piece set was going for 12,000 naira. So we have another one here. Ta-da! It's another t-shirt, guys. Yeah, that's going for 8,000 naira as well. So now I wasn't left out, so I got a few things for myself as well. This is kind of a polo, a big polo. Yeah, this was going for 10,000 naira. This polo I got it for 10,000, guys. Can you imagine? Well, is well. Got weapons. So I got this kind of a leggings. Yeah, so you guys can see properly. This is a leggings. Yeah, look at it, guys. It's a leggings. Got it for myself, and this was going for 9,000 naira. 9,000 naira. So guys, and have another one as well. Ooh, another black. This is a black. It's called Fine Woman. Yeah, written boldly here. So this was going for 9,500. 9,500. The man literally told me at first 11,500. How to bargain, and I finally got it for 9,500. So the last but not the least, guys, is another polo. Yay, guys, polo. I got a polo. I got 2 polos. Yeah, this another one. It was going for 10,000 naira. This was going for 10,000 naira. This one is a polo, 10,000. So this is a gown, guys. I just wish you guys could see it properly. But it's a gown. It's a gown. It's a gown. Let me adjust a bit. It's a gown. And this gown, guys, was going for 15,000 naira. Yeah, the gown was going for 15,000 naira. The gown, 15,000 naira. Hold on. Now have here a sleevelet. This is a sleevelet, and I got this for 6,000 naira. This 6,000 naira sleeveless. Then this is a gown, guys. It's another gown. Look at it. Another gown. And this gown, guys, this gown was going for 12,000 naira. This gown, yeah, this gown, guys. Things don't cost now. It's where we thought so. We'll survive, guys. We're gonna survive. Then, guys, the last. I left it for the last. This is the last on our list, guys. Got it. Yeah, I got a slippers. This lovely slippers. Like, look at it, guys. So, guys, I got this slippers. I didn't know slippers is expensive like this, so but slippers like this slippers, guys, you cannot even guess how much I got the slippers. Slippers like this. The slippers, look at it. The slippers, 15,000 naira. This slippers 15. At first they were telling me 18k. I even price reach 11,000. The woman said make I drop a slippers. Finally bought the slippers 15. This slippers, look at it, 15,000. And it came in a carton. No, look at the carton. The carton it came with. It came in a carton like this. 15,000 is well. If I buy this thing for 15,000, how much now will I now buy shoe now? I don't know, but it is well. So far, guys, these are all the things I got so far. How do you see them? I love them. You love them, right? And the price is, how is it fair? Everything now is so expensive, but we still thank God that God has been providing for us to be able to afford. You get. So, guys, this is where we're wrapping up today's video, and I would love to say I love you all, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe if you have not. Please like, share the video, please, guys. Please support this channel, please support me. Oh, watch the video to the end. Do not skip the ad, guys. So I would like to say thank you all for watching, and we'll definitely be seeing you in my next video. Till then, remain safe as you always do. Stay blessed, and what? Bye for now.